So yeah, I already in floor 2 because I just forgot to record. Who's that? Monkey. A monkey. Alright. So the monkey doesn't come. We need backup. Alright guys. Boost! 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 The bus. Babysitter. Always the dog damn babysitter. I did not do a do a single machine. Dear God! My team was actually fast extractors. My team was fast extractors! Oh! My team was literal fast extractors. Labinskin! Idiot. Technology. 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 Instructions? You know what that means. Can I extract? Don't be greedy, okay? Thank you! I'm going to thank him. I am grateful. Oh, oh, oh! Can I extract too? Can I extract? Can I extract? Oh, thank you! Thank you so much! Okay, okay, what should I do? Ah! What should I do and what should I say? Thank you. Yes! Alright. I I just helped someone do 2 machines! Alright? Someone just alright! The horse! The horse! Twisted goo! Twisted cocoon! She's still after me! Help! Help! She's up. Ah! Very traumatizing. No, no. Ah! I want the Tatyan! Alright. What are inside those weather ball, pal? Clap. Clap. Bandit! Oh! Wally wet. You know what that means? Diabetes. just wait until our stamina. Alright, that's good. Thank you. Iceland, Ella. It's me. She's doing the Naruto one. Naruto! Sasuke! Okay. What's inside the box? What's in? Oh, my little soda pop. What's up, Lulu? Louisius Lucifer. Oh, isn't that the name of the devil? Okay. Ah, Louis! Ah! Oh, this Louis is just outside. Bye bye. What's it's like having a tiny head? What? Do you feel like ever if your head? Gigi, I feel pain. Yeah, but like, do you care if you said this wrong? What are you even saying? I wonder what's inside. Gigi. What is inside? Another twisted block. I'm sorry, we just got twisted blood. Stocky blood? Okay. No way there's a stocky blood. Another Tisaling! Dude! Tisa and blood? No, don't touch me, don't touch me! Blood, leave my ass alone. Fuck you. Blood, let me dab you. Dab me up. Oh! I said dab me up! Leave me alone, please. Lag! I just realized I have lag! Okay. My little brother is watching Omar and Hannah. Okay. Come here, Scripts! Link in the description. Yeah. Description. Goodbye! His name is Goodbye. Her name is size 1 month. Okay. That's just the day. That's just the game, okay? Yeah, that's just for the game. Okay. Oh yeah. Floor 6 already? I just fell into. Oh! Help me! What the best? Okay, thank you so much. We love you. We love you, Gigi. We love you, Gigi. Gigi, you just saved our lives. Hero of the day. Okay, there's nothing inside, bro. Our ability. Okay. Oh, that's why. 5 people left. That's why they're slow into making machines. Swim Bob! I'm finding something. I'm finding the last machine. And next, okay, they are on last. So, yo, someone. You know what that means? Okay. On the TV, I am recording. The first one, I'm the first one into the elevator. Woohoo! And became the first one to yeah. Toothpaste, toothpaste, toothpaste. Should I buy flutter, like flutter, brightly, toothbrush, nothing. Okay. Blackout. Oh no. Oh no, no. Oh! Okay. Good luck, guys. There's twisted lightning. I'm sorry! Don't leave me! Okay. Okay. I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. Okay. Oh, oh! Big! Big boy. Oh! Big! Okay, leave me alone. Leave me alone, Brittany. Brittany's okay. Lag. Brightly Spears. Brightly Spears. I don't care if I just got a literal tape. What they cared for the most is getting pebbles. Okay. Coke. Otisa. Oh! I just got mad. Wait, I just saw it. Bookstein. Ah! They saw water. Scraps. Do you have rabies? Do you have rabies? Water. I can't see myself. Is this transparent? Okay. How? You are literally so close to me. How? How? More people. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't do this. No, but there's a little ginger And I have band-aid medkit. You know what that means? Just, just pray. Just pray. Twisted Gigi that comes. Okay. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. This Gigi face will calm you. Just wait. Wait. Iwang daw iwang. Sinlalaban lang ako ya. Oo. Bofang daw daw. Sinlalaban yan. Did I just make a new sound, guys? Okay. Clap! I shouldn't have fallen in love. Look at that. I should have not fallen in love. Look at what you become. I led the world. Okay, I don't know what I. Long lyrics are. Wow. Just give me another medkit or something. Get to elevator. Yeah, I know. Like Gigi. Get to elevator. But who's on last? Who's on last? Oh, you're so close to me. Is there more? Water! Giggler. Giggler. Okay, lots of love. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Way biscuit, way biscuit. This way we get twist. Yeah, yeah, the blackout! This right now. Another blackout! Dude, is this meant to be or something? Like, blow! Big! Fuzzy, fuzzy, cute, cute, fuzzy, fuzzy. Okay. Oh no! Oh yeah, I have backup. Okay, thank you. Leave me alone. Don't leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Let's don't waste already the band-aid. Let's go back to extracting. It's because of that stupid lightning. Disturbing that stupid. That so stupid. Stupid. The stupidest. I still see your babies. Okay. Anyone on last? Anyone on last? Okay. Oh. Nice. Okay. Oh! Get the elevator! Get the elevator! Okay. I just remembered the elevator. What the hell? What the hell? Hide. The lit the literal lamp is here. Oh, the elevator's light. Look, if she's okay. Look. Okay, the ginger's dead. 3 people. No. Let's buy at Dandy's. McDandy's. Okay, we reached the floor 9. Look, that's floor 9, I swear to God. We can do this! It's another blackout. I swear to God, if we get another blackout, I'm gay. Is it canon? Is that canon if Gigi always get out gumballs because she's a literal gumball machine? Nothing else. Is she the mother of gumballs? Okay, dear God. Okay, what? Okay, I'm 47%. I don't know if I can still do this. I can't do this anymore. What do you mean casual run? You already got a team. That's 3. Let me add y'all because y'all are the best teammates. We love you, Scraps. Jericho and Jello Star. Goodbye. I shouldn't have fallen in love. Alright. How about this? Darling, you have to let me know. Surag. If I get another band-aid or if I get something else, but if I get medkit or band-aid in my okay. What? Ah! Go. Oh! Ah! I'm on 1 heart. 2 hearts now. 2 hearts now. Ah! Where's Roger? I'm out of stamina. Where's Roger? Dude, Roger, please don't tell me you died. Because I don't have a speaker. My flex has a problem. Yes, I'm going to be careful. Don't warn me. You're lucky. Yay! Oh! Dear God, another band-aid? Nah, I mean band-aids. What is it? Band-aid or band-aids? Okay. Goodbye. where the hell is Roger? Where is that foo head? I swear, if we get another blackout, we are get gay. $26. Goodbye. Watch us. Ang tagal ni Roger. Oh. Roger takes too long. What are you doing? What are you doing? Smart thinking. Thank you. Oh! Okay. Where is Roger though? Did he die? Bakit ba? Oh, sorry guys. Bakit? Why? Why, Nani? What? So I guess we are Filipino. Why? Dear God, I hope this is not copyright. Okay. One more. Get to elevator. Get well. I'm lost. I'm lost. Okay, dear God, I'm lost. Where is the elevator? Please don't tell me Roger died. Oh, box shop. Oh, bottle pop. Garden view, dining sections. It's delectable. What? Get to elevator. Oh, he's active. Why you lying? Okay, we got two very rare items and one rare item. I'm not so lucky! Oh, I swear, if we get another blackout, I'm gay! Very canon, Johan. Okay. Can't use that item at full stamina. Oh no! I just wasted my medkit. No! Hopefully that. What? No, Daddy. Gigi. I'll do it again. Gigi! I'm sorry. Sorry for what? I swear. If another blackout, I'm gay. Yay, normal. No. I can't say no sadly because I accidentally forgot to I just replaced my nose sticker into I'm sorry for no reason. Leave me alone, Boxman! Said Candy. Leave me alone. These candies are useless. Wally West. Are we dead ass? Help, help, help. Help me. Ay! I'm sorry. Help me, Roger. W, Roger! Roger, no! Roger! 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 They have eaten Roger. I'm going to say Roger. I'm sorry to Scrap. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. More life for me. Okay, never mind. No machines completed. Okay, how? Okay. I guess I'll accept my fate. Goodbye!